Hello everyone, welcome to Baby Kid Foods, a channel of easy recipes, quick recipes, delicious recipes, travel vlogs, and more. Otherwise, thank you so much for always tuning back to Baby Kid Foods. If at all you have not subscribed and you happen to come across this channel, please consider subscribing. And for new viewers, please view these videos, share, like, and for those returning subscribers, I salute you for turning back. And please remember to browse membership pack of this channel and join the family. Otherwise, guys, today I'm back with this video, and I just want to make some fresh natural juice. So the juice I'm going to make is for fresh passion. And guys, the difference between the uniqueness of this video is that we want to make fresh passion juice without blending, without a blender. So we just do it the local way, the traditional way. So let's do it together. So guys, these are the passion. I've got a number of them here. I've just washed them and they're clean. So I want to make some fresh juice. I'm only going to add some little sugar to it, and that's also keep tuned. I'll just start by cutting them into halves. So it doesn't mean if you want to have fresh juice, passion juice, you have to blend. No, you can. In fact, the one which is not blended is even more enjoyable because it doesn't have some black particles in it. So guys, that is all this. So the next step now, I'm just going to remove everything out of them. So you can see, and continue the same way, guys. Make sure you remove everything. So finally, this is my passion that I've just made. And this, so guys, you see these ones, you are not supposed to throw them away, but it depends. In my next video, I'll show you how to make use of this. This can be used to make a very nice passion jam, which you can use for bread, for your buns, and all that. So this one also, so long as you washed everything here, remember we washed them before. So remember we washed everything here, so you don't need to throw them away. You can soak them overnight, but that is a video for another day. So let's just concentrate on the juice. Keep tuned. I have a jug here and I have a sieve here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sieve this step by step. So you just put that little, then you sieve. This is how we sieve it. Make sure you sieve it to the end until what we can now see here is just the black seeds and nothing more. And you just have a kind of a knife, I mean a spoon. If you have such a heavy spoon like this, it's better because it presses well. And you can see I'm trying to get my juice. So this is manual way of making passion juice without blending. So keep tuned, please watch this video until the end. So what is left here, do not throw it away. Put it in a different pan. So like now, I have a pan here with me. I'm going to place them there. So you continue the same way. Shake it again, then you add them there. So we'll do the same thing again. So while you press, you make sure you settle them again together, then you continue pressing so that lots of juice are not left out. But still, from here we are going to obtain much of it. So keep tuned. So guys, so this I'm also going to add it here. So one might wonder that only this is the juice that I've gotten from that. Remember, this is a concentrated passion. Much of it is in here. What you see here is passion. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a glass of water, a jug of water. The same jug, I'm going to add full water inside there. So keep tuned, guys. So just see this. I'm going to add everything here. You can see how it is. So what I'm going to do is to boil it for 30 minutes. I'm going to keep it to a boil for 30 minutes, so keep tuned. I've just lit my heat, and now here is my passion. So I'm just going to cover it and let it boil for about 30 minutes. So keep tuned, guys. You can look at my passion. It's ready now. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to switch it off, remove it out, and sieve it. So you can see it has still maintained the color, and you can see the seeds. The seeds somehow, by boiling it, it has removed some juice from the seeds. You can see now the way the seeds are. So you continue pressing for the final. So you compare these seeds before and how they are. It means now we have drained some passion again. Then, so guys, you can just do it without blending. So remember, guys, if you were to blend, you are going to blend even the seeds, But now this one, now no seeds are going to be left here. So after this, now we are going to do away with this. We don't need them anymore. So look at this, and this is the original one. So I'm going to just to add it every here. This is so much concentrated, guys. As you can see, it is so much concentrated, and you cannot take it like this. So what we are going to do is we are just going to mix it. So you mix as you start to make sure that you don't overdo. But it can still see it's a bit concentrated, but you can just have a taste. It is just slightly. Then I think this is just okay. Now depending on how you want it to be. If you want it so much concentrated, you can add more. But if you want it bit, because it's bitter when it's concentrated. So at this point now, what we are going to do is to add sugar. So you can add white sugar or you can just add normal sugar, but white sugar is the best, the quantity. Just to taste. It's so nice, but so much concentrated, guys. So I'll continue adding my other mix. So you can see. So I guess this is just enough. My passion is now well done. You can even see the color is now done. So what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to let it cool down. Keep tuned, guys. I'll just change it here. So a container like this, you can add it in the container. This is 500 ml. And put it inside the refrigerator. Put it inside the refrigerator to cool. Or else you can do this. You can just add it inside the glass. Leave a little space for the ice cubes. So you can add some ice cubes to make it cool. So you can add some ice cubes. So guys, these are my passion juice. So this is how to make passion juice without blending. So guys, look at this. And if you can look at them well, this is so much concentrated. So health-wise, it's not really good to take it while it's very, very concentrated. So this one is this is the best color. So the addition of water will depend on what you really want. So thank you for watching, but let me just have a taste first. So fresh. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please try out this. Even if you are in the rural area, if you don't have a blender, you don't have electricity, you can still make fresh passion juice and enjoy it. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Let's meet in another video.